Hello and welcome to some more news from Budget Model Railways. We've been saying for a little while that we're going to do some N-Gauge, and you know that we did the N-Gauge diesel shunter, which we've had a few orders for, thank you. But all along what I've also wanted to do is some rolling stock so that I can originally do my own N-Gauge layout, some long freight trains. So we decided to release these as well. So what we've got here are triple packs. So each pack will have 3 wagon bodies. They're all one-piece 3D prints. So nice and simple, nothing to be assembled. So what we've got here is short box wagons, short hopper wagons, and a long container wagon. Now these short ones are designed to fit the Pico NR123 chassis, and the longer one is designed to fit the Pico NR122 chassis. There is a link on the website to quite a cheap source we found, but obviously you can shop around and see. But they seem to be between about $350, $425, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of detail on these. The box wagon's got the planking on the sides and the doors. The container wagon's a really nice looking piece. And the hopper, again, always useful for long coal trains. I must point out the chassis are not included in these kits. You do need to go and buy those chassis yourself. So at the moment, the price is £10 for the triple pack, which makes them quite cheap. As I say, don't know if these will be of interest to people. We've had people asking us to do N. If there is some interest, we've got some other projects we're planning. We're looking at a coach potentially to fit the longer NR122 chassis. And we have been experimenting with some diesel rail buses, but we want to see what happens with the Kato chassis at the moment. We've heard stories that the 11104 will come in again, but with a much better motor, but we're not sure yet whether that's going to be the same price. So we need to look at perhaps redesigning things for the shorter chassis. So give us a bit of time with that one. But anyway, there we go. 3 new models there. Some nice wagons for your N-Gauge layout. Let us know what you think. And as always, thank you for watching, and we look forward to your comments.
Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.